Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the history of content management systems. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Content Management Systems. The history of Content Management Systems or CMS is marked by significant developments in technology and the internet. CMS platforms have evolved to meet the growing demand for managing and publishing digital content efficiently. Here is an overview of the history of CMS. Number 1. Early Web Development 1990s. In the early days of the World Wide Web, websites are primarily built using static HTML pages. Content updates required manual HTML coding, making it time-consuming and error-prone. Number 2. CGI scripts in early CMS late 1990s. CGI or Common Gateway Interface scripts allow for more dynamic web pages. Early CMS solutions emerged often as Perl scripts to enable users to manage content through web forms. Number 3. Open source CMS early 2000s. The early 2000s saw the rise of open source CMS platforms like Drupal 2001, Joomla 2005, and WordPress 2003. These platforms allowed users to create and manage websites with ease. WordPress in particular gained immense popularity for its user-friendly interface and extensive plugin ecosystem. Number 4. Enterprise CMS 2000s. As businesses recognized the need for more robust content management, enterprise-level CMS like SharePoint 2001 and Adobe Experience Manager, formerly CQ5 2005, emerged. These systems provide advanced features for large organizations to manage content, workflow, and collaboration. Number 5. Era of Customization 2010s. The 2010s saw an explosion of CMS solutions catering to various needs, including e-commerce platforms like Magento and Shopify. CMS platforms started offering extensive customization options, themes, and plugins to tailor websites to specific requirements. Number 6. Headless CMS 2010s. The concept of headless CMS gained traction, decoupling content management from presentation. This allowed content to be distributed to multiple platforms and devices. Headless CMS solutions like Contentful and Strapi became the popular for their flexibility. Number 7. Cloud-based CMS 2010s. Cloud-based CMS solutions like WordPress.com, Wix, and Squarespace gained popularity due to their ease of use and scalability. These platforms offered hosting, domain registration, and content management in one package. Number 8. Jamstack Architecture 2010. The Jamstack JavaScript APIs and markup architecture became trendy. It emphasizes using APIs to deliver content to static websites. CMS platforms adapted to this trend by providing APIs for content delivery. Number 9. AI and Personalization 2020s. The 2020s have seen advancements in AI-driven content recommendations and personalizations, with CMS platforms integrating machine learning capabilities. Content creators can use AI to optimize content, improve user experience, and increase engagement. Number 10. Decentralized CMS 2020s. Blockchain and decentralized technologies have led to the development of decentralized content management systems. These systems aim to enhance content security and control. The history of CMS is a testament to the evolution of web development and the increasing demand for user-friendly and adaptable content management solutions. As technology continues to advance, CMS platforms will likely continue to evolve to meet the changing needs for content creators and website owners. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the history of content management systems. Thank you so much for watching and your support in my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.